exciting about tech.
Good morning, everyone. This is Jay Lewis coming at you from Tech Boner, and I have a treat for you today. I have the unboxing and look at the Spigen lineup of cases. But before we get this started, I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe button and support the channel. And now that being said, let's get this started. First up in the lineup, we have the Spigen Rugged Armour case for the Note 10 Plus. This case is $10.99 on Amazon, and let's take a look at this case. Now, the Spigen cases happen to be my favorite cases. They're pocket friendly, and you get a really nice quality of cases. This particular case right here, you have a matte finish. We have some carbon fiber. We have the Spigen logo here. We have cutouts for all of the parts for the case, for the phone. Let's slap this sucker in here. And at the bottom, we have the noise canceling speaker, USB, regular speaker, S Pen. S Pen comes out easily. On the right side, it's clean. We have some grippy material. On the right side, we have the buttons. We have the power button and the up and down volume rocker. Very clicky. On the top also, we have speaker and noise canceling speaker. We got some lip protection. This case is really nice. It's really minimal. It has a good feel in the hand. It doesn't add too much bulk to the device. Also, at the back, we have the camera cutout. It's decently recessed that if you sit it on the table, you're good to go. Let's give it the wireless charge test. If it's compatible with the wireless charging. So let's get this a nice case, so let's keep it moving. Next up, we have the Tough Armor by Spigen, also for the Note 10 Plus. Let's check this out. This particular case looks like it's a two-piece case, but we're not going to take it apart. Let's slap this in here. Now this one, like I said, it says Tough Armor. Adds a little bit more bulk, still minimum, but you got a little extra lip protection. On the right side, clean. On the left side, we have the volume button and the power button. In this particular case, the power button is textured but clicky. Up and down, very nice. On the back, we have the camera cutout. It's deeply recessed. We also have a kickstand for all your viewing pleasures when you're doing your YouTube and watching your movies. All right, let's check this out. Wireless charging. Wireless charging in effect. Let's keep it moving. Next, we have the Ultra Hybrid S. This particular case is the clear case, so you can show off the beauty of your Note 10 Plus. Let's slap this in here. Again, this is a nice looking case, nicely recessed, doesn't add a lot of bulk. Right side, volume up and down, and the power button, nice and clicky. On the back, you have a kickstand. You get to see the beauty of your Note 10. Let me wipe this off a little bit. Fingerprint is up. Very nice case. On the bottom, all the cutouts again. S Pen friendly, in and out easily. Also, kickstand in effect. Also, I like it has a little magnet in there. Clips right into its place. Wireless charging on deck. Let's keep it moving. Next, this is another one of my best cases that I like. This is the Neo Hybrid, again on Amazon. All these cases are between $10.99 and $15.99. Very budget friendly cases. High quality, you get your money's worth. I like this case the best because it kind of matches the Note 10 Blue. Again, in the back, camera cutout, recess. You're not going to damage your phone. An adequate amount of lip protection. Clean on that side. On the other side, we have the buttons. Clicky. No problems here. All the cutout, again, speaker, noise canceling. All the cutouts. Let's check if it's S Pen friendly. In and out, no problem. Now I just gotta say one more thing. With all these cases are budget friendly and high quality cases. But these two cases right here, this matte black with this carbon fiber and this Arctic blue with this silver, these cases right here are slamming. These are my two top choices. And if I can give a case, a tech boner, these two cases right here gets a tech boner. So that's it. I'll ask you to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and everyone have a blessed day. Peace.